Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this video, we're going to take a look at the grep command and some of the things that you can do with it. Now, the simplest grep command is going to look something like this. The word grep, the text or the word you're looking for, and the name of the file. And you can see we found 3 lines in that file that contain OWN, even when those letters are part of another word, like down in this first line over here and clown down over here. So let's see what we can do about that. Now we're going to use the -W option, which will find own only if it's a word by itself. And there you go, so it just finds one of the lines. Now if we grep a word like when, we're going to find nothing. Why is that? Well, let's use the -I option, which says find the words regardless of case. Now we're finding the word when, and it just happens to start with a capital letter, and that's why the earlier command didn't find it. Now, if you use the -C option, you're going to count how many times that word or that string shows up in the file. And you can see it shows up 3 times, as we saw at the beginning. But if I add the W to that command, the W option with the C option, then I'm only going to count the words that have own as a word in itself. Well, that is your Linux tip for the grep command and some of the tricks you can use it for. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.